going to show you how to add calls, notes, and emails in HubSpot. Whether you're connecting with customers or keeping track of important communications, HubSpot makes it simple. Start by going to hubspot.com and clicking the login button at the top right. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, open the CRM and go to the Contacts tab. Select a contact to see their engagement history. This is where all notes, calls, and emails are tied to individual contacts. To add a note, click the Notes tab in the Activities section and type any important details or reminders. For calls, navigate to the Calls tab to log a call, schedule one, or even make a call directly through HubSpot. You can record the call duration, outcome, and key takeaways. For emails, click the Emails tab to compose and send messages directly from HubSpot. All communications are automatically logged alongside your other activities. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage calls, notes, and emails, keeping all your contact information organized and trackable. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting.